How to log in Facebook profile in Meta Business Suite. So the first thing is I want you to open up your Meta Business Suite and go to the All Tools section, or under the All Tools you can see this settings option here. Just tap on settings. You can see this settings option. Just tap on settings. After that, wait for it to be loaded. And here under accounts you can see this pages option. Under accounts at the left side you can see, just tap on that pages option. After tapping on it, click on this add. Go to the add section. You can see the blue box at the up. You can see this add option. Just tap on add, and here you may add the Facebook profile. You can add an existing Facebook page, or request shared access to Facebook page, or create a new Facebook page. You may just enter the login details. After that, your profile will be added into the Meta Business Suite. So therefore, by following this method, you can add your Facebook profile into Meta Business Suite. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.